Hi guys, I've had this watch, this Tudor GMT, for about a week. Excuse the screen jumping a little bit. I am using a phone because I have nothing else to use at the minute. I don't really do watch reviews, or any reviews really. I just thought I'd give a quick little video on this because there's not really much, because it's so hard to get. There's not much really on YouTube for like an honest opinion. I waited ages for this to come. I was like one of the first on the list. Well, actually I was number 30, and I kind of jumped the list. What I would say as a little tip is to maybe get really friendly with the person that's selling you the watch, and then I also paid the balance pretty much after a month or so, and then that really helped as well, because it seemed like I had a bit more priority than people that are just on the list with no deposit or anything like that. So see if you can try and pay a balance on it. And chances are, if you are really friendly with the person that sold you the watch, they will try and help you get another one. I love the way it moves, the way it feels on the wrist. It's not too heavy, not too light, and you just know it's there. I have kept a couple of stickers because obviously I want to try and keep it as nice as I can for as long as I can. Bit like a new phone, keep the screen protector on as long as you can. The colour's a bit weird with the blue part of the bezel, because like it does look a bit black, but then certain angles it does look blue. It's a bit strange, but it's nice. In a way, it kind of looks a bit like the Rolex Coca-Cola, really. But it's just the light in this room is just a normal bulb. I've not used anything special to film this, but such a high quality is unbelievable, because I looked at an Omega Seamaster because I was waiting for such a long time. I got a bit bored of waiting, and I thought my money's just tied up and I'm not getting anywhere closer to getting this watch. But then she rang me last week and said, come pick your watch up on Friday, which is really nice. So in the UK, I would say to maybe pay the balance. It will help a little bit. Try and encourage the person that's selling the watch to you to try and get you up the list a little bit, because I know that they're quite tempted on closing the books, because every dealer's got about 150 people waiting for one. And I know that what's happening at the minute is that Tudor is sort of giving dealers like one or two at a time. So it's never going to be like 20 delivered at once. They're not doing it like that. But what I'll do, I'll just show you it on the wrist a second. So that's the wrist shot. It really does pop. It's really nice, it's really noticeable. What I would recommend is maybe considering, which I'm gonna do, is get a rubber bracelet, because I work in like an office and I will be sort of rubbing my hand across the desk, so it is going to scratch the bracelet. So I'm looking to get something that will keep it nice. I love the way it does sit really nice on the wrist, especially if your wrist is flat. A lot of people, when they do the reviews, they go like that, but that's where your wrist is really, and it does sit quite nice. I'm not really like a watch reviewer or anything. I just thought I'd give my opinion and maybe help people get one. But people are flipping them straight away, so I think that's why Tudor's slowing it down a little bit. Maybe because people are just getting them and selling them and trying to make a quick buck. But in my opinion, I think it's worth holding on until you sort of have it a few years, because it might be worth even a lot more than what people are trying to sell it for, because it is the first generation and the first time I've ever done one of these. So it's only, the way I see it, is only going to be worth more in time. So I thought I'd just give a quick review, guys. If there's any other questions you want to know, how it works or how to use it, or anything else I can help with, please do give me a shout. Thank you.